Welcome to the Navisyo Homes factory. We're back here after our last visit 2 months ago, and I can't wait to show you the progress we've made. Here we are inside the factory. The first unit that we have shown you 2 months ago is actually right now being transported on its way to the port of Miami. The unit to my left is going to Florida, and that should be ready next week. This one is going to start production next week, and we will have that going straight towards Toronto, Canada.
Everything is getting bigger. We have rented more factory space. The space is not enough anymore because of more orders.
Guys, when I walked into the factory, I was absolutely blown away. I was very happy to see the home with my own eyes. It was every bit as unique as I thought. I've been in the industry for 35 years and I've truly never seen a product like this. This hull itself is polypropylene and it requires zero maintenance. So once this is in the water, we don't have to take it back out. There's no need for bottom paint or zincs or doing any maintenance. It can just stay in the water, nice and easy. Take a look at these windows. Everywhere you look, you're looking at the water with lots of natural light. I'm 6'1", and I could really see myself living in this space. Take a look at this. It's very, very unique. This is the side of a Navisyo home. You have 4 inches of insulation. Whether it's hot or cold outside, you're gonna be comfortable.
As you can see, we have been making great progress. It's only the beginning. Now it's time to go to work and fulfill the great challenge, 120 new Navisyo homes. We thank you for your trust and support.